The importance of post-workout nutrition.
Fueling properly after exercise is key for recovery and progress. When you finish a workout, your muscles are depleted of energy and have minor tissue damage. The right nutrients can help you recover faster, reduce muscle soreness, and build strength over time. Choosing the right foods in the crucial window after exercise can make a big difference in your results.
Protein, building muscle and repairing tissues.
Protein is vital for muscle repair and growth. After exercise, your body needs amino acids to rebuild damaged muscle fibers. Consuming a high-quality protein source, such as lean meats, dairy, eggs, or plant-based options, can speed up recovery and support muscle gains. Aim for about 20 to 40 grams of protein within an hour after your workout for optimal benefits.
Carbohydrates, restoring energy.
Carbohydrates help replenish the energy you used during your workout. Exercise depletes glycogen stores, which are your muscle's main energy source. Eating carbs after your workout, like fruits, whole grains, or starchy vegetables, restores these stores and supports recovery. Pairing carbohydrates with protein has been shown to be especially effective for both muscle repair and energy replacement.
Combining protein and carbs for best results.
Pairing protein and carbs in your post-workout meal is the most effective strategy. This combination amplifies muscle protein synthesis and replenishes your energy faster. Common recovery meals include yogurt with fruit, a turkey sandwich on whole grain bread, or a smoothie with milk and oats. The right mix helps you bounce back quicker and prepares you for your next workout.
Other nutrients and hydration.
Don't forget fluids and other nutrients. Rehydrating with water or an electrolyte drink is crucial after exercise. Including healthy fats, such as those from nuts or avocados, can also help reduce inflammation. Micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium play a supporting role in muscle function and recovery, so a balanced diet is essential.